Okay, I'm back with another Ford fix. So this time I was cleaning my cup holders, the front ones. And when I was cleaning it, I pushed too hard on the bottom to really get into those ridges. And the whole thing just fell through. I don't know if you can tell, but the whole thing just fell through. It goes all the way down here. See? So we're gonna fix this one. Okay, so these are the cup holders that we're working with. The bottom actually fell out. This is a Ford Expedition 2019. And the way we're gonna fix this, we're gonna take this whole console out. So if you have a 2018, 2019, 2020, I'm not sure about 21, Ford Expedition, Ford F-150, the same thing as it happens. So we're just going to grab on the sides here, and it just comes out and it lifts. You kind of pull it backwards and up. Okay. So it just snaps up like this and then pull kind of back towards the back seat. And then this whole console just lifts up. So it's attached. There's some wires down here that are attached. Okay, so here are the wires. So they really just, they pull out, and you just got to see if there's a little snap with them. Here's this rubber band. This rubber band actually goes around the cup holders, and that's what holds the little tabs in place. If the bottom fell out of your cup holder, then it means that there's not glue, or it needs to be welded back together potentially. We've already welded this one back together right here. I don't know if you can tell, but here, let's move this closer.
I'm coming.
So you can see that I welded this together, and so then this one is now really strong, so we don't have to worry about it falling apart. So now I'm gonna have to do the same thing over here. This cup holder is attached, and so there's a little tab here. So we push down on that little tab, and then we can shimmy this out.
What does shimmy mean?
Shimmy means pull out. So now the cup holder piece is separated. Okay, and the sides of it, these tabs go on the outside. And so now we take the rubber band, this rubber band, and this rubber band, there's guides all through here that this goes in. And the guides hold each of the tabs in place. Rubber band is showing, so you can see here, this is the rubber band, and it's just going through these little slots here, and in the middle you just got to make sure to connect it there. That's what holds all of it together and pressured. So the problem with this is that one of these is soldered and one of them is not, and so I need to make sure it gets soldered back together, this one, so that the bottom doesn't fall out again. So let's go get our machine. Okay, so this is a plastic welder. It's not plugged in, so it's not hot. This is a plastic welding gun, and this is what I use to fix kids' toys. It's what I use to fix all kinds of random plastic things that break that we don't want to throw away yet. So we're gonna put this little attachment on it before it gets hot, so you don't like burn yourself and have to go to the hospital. That would not be fun. So you put it on like this, and then we're gonna plug this in, and we're gonna wait like 5 minutes, and then it's gonna be super hot, and we're going to touch this to the other plastic, and it's gonna mold the plastic back together. The plastic welding gun is hot. So here is the piece of plastic that we need to fix. Can you see, Cedric? Mm-hmm. So right now you can see that when I move it, it separates. So I'm going to hold it together and I'm just going to put this on there. And I'm going to squeeze the trigger, and as I squeeze the trigger, it melts it together. It stinks, by the way. Burning plastic smells really terrible.
Yes, it does.
If you want to put reinforcements on this, you can put things like stainless steel. But I don't think it needs it. Now that is sealed back together. Can you see how smooth that is? Can you see that? Can you see that the line is gone?
Yeah.
Okay. Get it down there. There we go. There we go. You want to make sure it's in the right spot to be pushed down so that it doesn't break it. And voila. It is back. It is put together. The bases are here. They're not going anywhere. And we are done with this version of fixing the cup holders in a Ford Expedition, Ford F-150, probably in any Ford from years 2018 to 2020, 2021. So I hope this video helps you, and send it to somebody you know that has that Ford. Bye.